Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful video that we're gonna take a look at Render Forest, which in my opinion is the best website if you're a creator or advertiser or whatever you do. It lets you create the most beautiful intros, shows, mock-ups, websites, logo, graphics, anything you ever wanted is right here. Let me go with a video, just a test, and let me try to make a small intro. Let's do this golden thingy right here, and we click create now. No thanks, I don't need to be guided. And from here, we add a logo that we want to put here. I'm going to put this here. Let me zoom out so we fit the entire logo inside. Click done. We add text. I'm just going to put Omnitech. And I'm not gonna leave blank. I'm just gonna put a video just for demonstration purposes. And here you can change the style of the intro. It gives you different colors and different styles. You can change the font of the text. You can change the music of it. It comes with the music of its own, as you see here. And we go to preview. You can do a 720 export that will export it for you with a watermark, of course. Unless you pay, as I said, it's not free. Well, if I didn't mention it, though, it's not free. 20 per video or 40 per video, which is in 4K Ultra HD, or $30 a month, which is, I think if you're doing it professionally, I would say it's worth it. Because on this website, you can do so much more. Let's export this one and show you how it looks. And as we see, our video has been rendered and done. It's ready to go. You can either use it, but you shouldn't use it probably with the watermark. Because, you have premium privileges, so you have to pay monthly, and it's worth it, in my opinion at least. It's worth it if you are doing this professionally, and look at the video we just made right here. It doesn't look like a lot because I don't have a better logo right here, but you can put other logos that you can make better than mine, and it really stands out. You can do mock-ups on apparel, on devices. You can do your own iPhone or Samsung or whatever logos on the covers and design your own site with them, 3D cartoons. There is so much you can do on this site here. Let me do here, just type video, I guess. Yeah, like video editing, let's say here, you want to do, or you're a filmmaker, and you do it right here. As you see, you have the vector logo on top. You have the logo name, tagline. You can change the text, as you see right here, logo name. Let me put it Omnitech. And the tagline, I don't know what I would put on that. Just let me put YouTube, since we're on YouTube. This one is what they give you already. You can click download. Then just get a low quality one because we're just demonstrating. I'm not really intending to use it. So you will not see it anytime soon. But it does a great job. Low quality PNG, obviously, because that's what we have here. Well, let me put it on desktop. And let's see how it looks like. And as you see, here's the logo we just made. Omnitech YouTube. And this is just a sample, right? And this site, renderforest.com, has much more to offer. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and go take a look at Render Forest. Just make an account just with a Google account or whatever. It doesn't matter. You can start for free and do a few free designs. They let you do almost anything for free, at least the lower quality and the ones with watermarks. So you can kind of get a grip around it. And you can do amazing things with it. And no, this video has not been sponsored by Render Forest. And with that said, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!